Danny, here's your 408 small block Ford. Here's 64 inch instead of our ass cast head. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Moroso front sump wall band. Obviously you have your own induction. We just got our Dyno stuff on here. Go in there and make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Doke 3,400, 465 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 498, peak horsepower 502. So it runs really good. That's kind of the open blend manifold upstairs there. So what we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good for clean, show you a couple of things. See if you're in to find the signal inside credit card, USB card in it, full of technical information. In the crate will be the signal spec sheet, how to recommend reading it. Have a great day.